Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video I will be showing you how to record your home screen on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod touch device right now. So let's get straight into it. First thing first, open up settings, scroll down, tap on control center, and scroll down again, and where it says more controls, tap on the green plus icon so you can add your screen recording. So I'm gonna remove that. Where it shows it right here, press add. As you can see, it started to add. It's right there. And the way how you could record your home screen is if you scroll up from the bottom of your screen. That's only if you're on an iPhone 8 Plus or lower, or scroll from the top of the screen if you're on a iPhone X and higher. And yeah, that's how you do it. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace. See ya. Bye bye.